Imagine waking up in just 7 days feeling more energized, with smoother skin and sharper mental clarity, all thanks to a simple change in your daily routine. If you're over 50 and haven't yet incorporated olive oil into your diet, you might be missing out on some life-changing benefits. Olive oil isn't just another ingredient in your pantry. It's a powerful elixir that can transform your health in ways you never imagined. Let's dive straight into why olive oil is often referred to as liquid gold. This natural oil extracted from olives has been a staple of the Mediterranean diet for centuries, and for good reason. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which are the good kind of fats your body needs. These fats help to lower bad cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease, a concern that becomes increasingly important as we age. But that's just scratching the surface. Olive oil is also packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin E and polyphenols, which combat the oxidative stress that accelerates aging and contributes to chronic diseases. So, what happens when you start using olive oil daily, especially after the age of 50? The results might surprise you. The first thing you'll notice within just a day or two of using olive oil regularly is an improvement in your digestion. Olive oil acts as a natural lubricant for your digestive system, easing the passage of food and reducing the likelihood of constipation, a common issue for many people over 50. Its mild laxative effect can help keep you regular without the harshness of over-the-counter remedies. Olive oil also stimulates the production of bile, which is essential for digesting fats properly. If you've ever felt bloated or uncomfortable after a fatty meal, olive oil can help your body break down those fats more efficiently, leaving you feeling lighter and more comfortable after eating. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil can soothe the lining of the stomach and intestines, reducing symptoms of gastritis or other inflammatory conditions that become more common with age. As you continue to incorporate olive oil into your daily routine, your skin will begin to reap the benefits. The rich antioxidants in olive oil, especially vitamin E, are known to protect the skin from the harmful effects of free radicals, which contribute to the aging process. After just 3 or 4 days, you might notice your skin feeling more hydrated and supple. Olive oil helps to lock in moisture, keeping your skin soft and preventing the dryness and flakiness that can become more pronounced as we age. For those who suffer from conditions like eczema or psoriasis, olive oil can provide soothing relief, reducing inflammation and irritation. And here's a tip. Don't just consume olive oil, apply it directly to your skin as well. A small amount of olive oil massaged into your skin can work wonders, leaving you with a natural, healthy glow. Now, let's talk about one of the most significant benefits of olive oil, particularly for those of us over 50. Brain health. As we age, our cognitive function can start to decline, leading to memory lapses or difficulties with concentration. However, incorporating olive oil into your diet can help maintain and even improve brain health. By the 5th day, the powerful polyphenols in olive oil are already working to protect your brain cells from oxidative damage. Studies have shown that regular consumption of olive oil can improve memory and cognitive function, potentially reducing the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease or other forms of dementia. Olive oil also supports the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in learning and memory, thanks to the anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil. So, if you've been feeling a little foggy lately, olive oil might be the simple solution you've been looking for to sharpen your mind. Joint pain and stiffness are common complaints as we age, often due to chronic conditions like arthritis. But what if you could reduce that discomfort naturally? By day 6, you might start to notice a reduction in joint pain and inflammation, thanks to the anti-inflammatory properties of olive oil. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a compound with similar effects to ibuprofen, but without the side effects. This natural anti-inflammatory agent can help reduce the pain and swelling associated with arthritis, making daily activities more manageable. Incorporating olive oil into your diet may also improve joint mobility, helping you stay active and independent as you age. Whether you're dealing with occasional stiffness or chronic pain, olive oil can offer some much-needed relief. By the end of the first week, one of the most profound changes you'll experience is in your heart health. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, and the risk increases with age. However, Olive oil can play a crucial role in protecting your heart. Regular consumption of olive oil has been shown to reduce blood pressure, lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and improve HDL, good cholesterol levels. These effects combined can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Olive oil's ability to improve blood vessel function means better circulation and reduced risk of clot formation. For those already dealing with high blood pressure or cholesterol, incorporating olive oil into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to manage these conditions. While the first week of using olive oil can bring about noticeable changes, the long-term benefits are even more significant. Consistent use of olive oil can help prevent chronic diseases, promote longevity, and enhance your overall quality of life. Over time, you'll find that your skin remains youthful and hydrated, your digestion continues to improve, and your joints stay flexible. Your brain will benefit from ongoing protection against cognitive decline, and your heart will be stronger and healthier. But perhaps the most important long-term benefit is the overall sense of well-being that comes with knowing you're taking steps to protect your health. As we age, it's easy to feel like our best days are behind us. But by making simple changes like incorporating olive oil into your diet, you can continue to enjoy a vibrant, healthy life well into your golden years. Now that you're convinced of the benefits, you might be wondering how to incorporate olive oil into your daily routine. The good news is that it's incredibly versatile and easy to use. Start by using olive oil as your primary cooking oil. It's perfect for sautéing vegetables, frying eggs, or drizzling over salads. However, it's important to use extra virgin olive oil, as it retains the highest amount of beneficial nutrients and antioxidants. You can also take a spoonful of olive oil straight each morning as part of your daily regimen. Some people find that taking olive oil on an empty stomach offers the best results for digestion and absorption. And don't forget about using olive oil topically. A small amount applied to your skin can be a natural moisturizer, and it's also great for treating dry or damaged hair. If you're over 50, your health needs change, and it's essential to adapt your diet and lifestyle to meet those needs. Olive oil offers a natural, simple, and delicious way to support your health as you age. In just 7 days, you can experience significant improvements in your digestion, skin, brain function, joint health, and heart health. So why not give it a try? The benefits are too powerful to ignore. With olive oil in your daily routine, you're not just adding flavor to your meals, you're investing in your health and longevity. The golden years can truly be golden with the right choices, and olive oil is one of the best choices you can make.